This is the i2c driver. Got this from Amazon for $30. And this is the box that came in. There's nothing to it. It's just an empty box now. And that's all the board came out of is that. So I thought it was i2 driver, but it's i2 driver. i2c driver. So you can go to i2cdriver.com to download the software and get support or whatnot. This is the circuit board. It's very small. Camera Lab. Camera. That's the people I ordered it from on Amazon. It was Camera Labs. So they have some feet for this. It looks like. Uses a USB port here to turn it on. And what I'm going to be using it for is to take and test the battery out. Some lithium batteries like this here have a circuit board in there that tells you, which this may not have one, tells the device that it's done charging. So what I was going to look at was to see if I can take and monitor the clock and data lines, because often there's one battery company they like to swap the data and the clock lines, and you won't find out until like the next day or so that the battery is not up to standards. So we're going to plug this in, and then we'll look at the rest of it. Okay, so plug it in, and this is what you see. What you're not able to see on the screen is the display. And I'm not sure why this does this, but you'll see that it will work for a second, and it goes off. I don't know if it's because thinks it's a battery or what it is. There's no communication. Interesting. Okay, I got it plugged in, and you can see these are the address lines, and then you would have your clock and your data transfer there. It'll actually show you where the address of the device is up here, and it flashes. And it should show you like the clock is transmitting and if there's anything sent over to the data or not. So we're going to get the battery next, and we'll take and see what happens. So I took one of the header pins and I flipped it so it was sticking through. It's auto to cut off its small little breadboard here, and solder a connection so the battery can plug right into this. And then I'm going to have to take and run my wires to the appropriate. There's only going to be 2 wires that I'm running here because I'm not going to monitor the voltage or anything. All I'm looking for is the bus line. I may have to use the ground as well, but we'll see. So now I have my connection wired up, and all I have left to do is just plug in the battery. Now these are made by 2 different manufacturers. Usually they're encased with something like this, so you can't really see the wiring inside. So I'm going to show you good versus bad with this. So when the battery is connected, the address will be flashing, and you can see that it's selected there, and I told it to read. You can see the data and clock signals. When a bad battery is in, it does not flash, and it totally kills the program. Well, that's all I have to talk about today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.